Hello, family. This is Miss Pat, aka Mudcakes 2, coming here to show you Mateo. Today is May 30th, 2017. The time is like 2:45, and there go my little friend Mateo. I'm looking out the window. He comes every day. Hey, Mateo. How you doing? He just walked the yard all day, just about. He comes several times a day. Hey, Mateo, and I put food out for him. Hi there. How you doing, Mateo? Bird watching. Hope everybody had a blessed holiday. Hope everybody was safe. Stay prayed up. Always put God first. Blessings. Have a blessed day. Amen. Hey, Mateo. Bye, Mateo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. There you go. There you go. Bye bye.